Hello and welcome to another Titan Academy video. In this video, we will discuss the Titan DocGen wizard. This is an option for generating and sending documents using Titan within Salesforce. This is an element that is included in our managed package. As you can see, I'm in my sample Salesforce organization and I'm viewing the Titan DocGen wizard on an account. You can use this on any object. Adding it to the page is very easy. Just edit the lightning record page. You can put it anywhere you want on the page. I've chosen to put it behind a tab. Search for this custom managed component, Titan Sign Wizard, and drop it onto the page. Once you've dropped it onto the page, you will want to configure your options. I've set the default height to 600 pixels. I've left the language as auto-detected. You can pick and choose what Titan products you want to enable. This right now is showing all products. I'm going to change it to just DocGen because that's what we're using in our tutorials, and we'll want to keep things simple for the end users. Go ahead and save your page, activate it, and then the Titan DocGen wizard will be available for your use on the object in question, in this case, on the account object. So what can we do from here? Here we can generate a package of documents using either Form Titan templates or files from within Salesforce or on your desktop. You cannot combine these two, it's one or the other. First, let's look at the template option. You see in this list a list of Titan templates that are available for use by this user on this object. So these 4 items that you see here are Titan Docs projects that are enabled for the logged in user on the object account. I'll just pick a couple. I'll pick Academy Docs example and Second Academy Docs example. These are 2 different Titan Docs projects that merge data from Salesforce into a document. Let's add these to our package. As you can see, we've added 2 items. We can drag these around, change the order if we want. From here, click Next. Titan will render a preview of the document that is to be generated and sent. Here on the preview, you see our 2 document projects merged together into one. There's data pulled in from Salesforce. This is what we set up in earlier tutorials. You see me pulling in some account information, some customer information, and some case information. On this preview, you can add on the fly additional fields from Salesforce or interactive fields for the recipient to fill in. Let's add a Salesforce field. This will come from the account object. Let's pick the field, any field, account type. Add this here. We can change the size. You can drag it around on the page if you want to. You can also add an interactive field. This is something that will allow the user who receives this document to input data. Let's add a text area field. Position that where we want it. From here, click Next. In our document settings options, we have a number of options. I'm only going to enable the attached to record option so that this document will be attached to the Salesforce record. Click Next. Here we can review and edit the email that will be sent containing the document attachment. This will go to this account, Wayneman Enterprises. We can choose a Salesforce email template for use. I'm just going to leave this blank and use the default, but if you have a Salesforce email template that you would like to use, you can choose it here. You can choose the from options, the current user's email address or an organization-wide email address. You can set the to, CC, and BCC. These can either be static emails. I'll go ahead and email this to myself. Or if you have an email field on your object, you could choose that as well. You can customize the subject. Just say custom subject. And if you want, you can customize the body of the email. Go ahead and click send. When you're done, this will take just a few seconds. And hooray, your document has been successfully sent. Let's look at the second option, sending files. I'll go ahead and refresh my page, come back into Titan. This works very similarly as sending documents using Titan templates, but this is without merge data from Salesforce. These are files either from within Salesforce or from your desktop. So you can search for your Salesforce files. I have one that's just called static file name. We'll add that. You can also upload files from your desktop by dragging and dropping. Let's add one more. And same as before, you can rearrange the pages if you want. Click on Next. Same as when using templates, this will render a preview. From here, you can add Salesforce fields or interactive fields. Again, document settings options will enable this to attach to the record. And finally, same as before, the review and send, customize your email, and state your recipients, and click send. Hooray, your document has been successfully sent. And that is the Form Titan DocGen wizard. Thanks for watching.